Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Maricel here. I hope everyone is well. And for those who's new here, hi, well, nice to meet you. And my name is Maricel. Today we are here at my kitchen, and I would love to show you one of my tilapia recipes. So we are going to bake this tilapia. So I have the fillet here, and we are going to be needing a butter here. This is 4 tablespoons at least. 4 cloves of minced garlic. We do have lemon juice in here. This is 2 tablespoons. I use the lemon juice concentrated one in the bottle, but if you have a fresh one, much better. And we do need a ground black pepper. We do need a seasoned salt. Any brand is fine, and if you want to just use a plain iodized salt, is fine as well. We do need a parsley flakes. We need also oregano, and we do need as well an olive oil. So right now what we have to do is season the fillet, the tilapia. So we're gonna go ahead season the tilapia side by side, and also we do need to use a ground black pepper. While we're doing this, mga loves, I also preheated a pan, and the butter in there is warming up, and we're gonna use the garlic in a few. Okay, so like that. Again, you can use an iodized salt if that's what you preferred, but I'm just so used to using the seasoned salt in terms of making this kind of dish for my tilapia. So now I am going to transfer it here in a bigger baking pan. And I can season this side here because it got covered to each other. So now we are going to use an olive oil. I don't know how much olive oil, but just eyeballing it. Probably 2 to 3 tablespoons at least. And then after that, we are going to season it with add on some parsley flakes. And then put some oregano. So I use a lemon juice concentrated, but again, if you have the fresh one, much better. But if you want to put less lemon juice, it's up to you. But I want the lemon juice to be on the taste as well. So right now I'm preheating the butter. Alright love, so here is our baked lemon garlic tilapia, and yep, it's really soft. So let me try this now. It is so yummy. You can taste all the ingredients that we applied to our tilapia. I can taste the garlic, the olive oil, the lemon, and the parsley and everything. So, yep, it is really good. So I hope you learned and you enjoyed this video today, mga loves. And if you did, a big thumbs up is truly appreciated. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye!